Hey guys, this is Austin Volack, and this is my bike check. Starting there, these are Eclat scope grips with the fit nylon bars in white, even though they look black. Bars are Shadow Vultus in black. The stem is a Shadow Attack stem. Some spacers, and then you got the Kink integrated headset there. If you can see that. The frame is a Fit STR1 2010. The forks are Shadow Vultus forks. The front rim is an Odyssey Hazard front rim, and the hub is an Odyssey Vandero hub. I guess they're Odyssey spokes, I don't really know about that. But the seat is an Odyssey Senior 2 in white, and then I just put a grenade sticker there, or whatever the hell it's called. Thunder, I think, yeah. But anyway, then you got the animal seat post in purple with the built-in seat post clamp right there. You got some stickers, and then you got the KMC chain in green with Eastern Shogun Sprocket in purple, 25 tooth with 9 tooth in the back, and the cranks are Fit cranks in white. I got them replaced for $70, I think. Yeah. The pedals are Odyssey Twisteds, and I decided to put reflectors on because there's not as much grip left, and putting these on put a little extension on the pedals, so it kind of helps. Yeah. And then the back rim is Alienation plain black rim. I guess whatever back hub came on the bike, because I never replaced it yet. I hope I don't have to anytime soon, so yeah. And the back tire is an animal ASM tire. The front one is a Fit FAF tire, not foldable either. So I think that's it. But yeah, this is my bike. I'm not sure how much it weighs, so don't ask that. Yeah, and yeah. Any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more BMX edits. Peace.